Morning students, today topic is chapter number 12, statement and its truth level. The simplest part of the mathematical logic is the proportional logic, and its building block are the statements or proportions. There are 5 types of sentences. Number 1, declarative. Declarative means assertive. Number 2, imperative, a command or request type. Number 3, exclamatory. Alas, this is a exclamatory. Emotion and excitement. Number 4, interrogative. Interrogative means the question mark. Number 5, open type. X number 12.2. Sum number 1. P. Let P is a statement. Jupiter is a planet. Q is another statement. India is an island. B. Any two simple statements. Give verbal statements. Verbal statements. So the sentence describing exit of the following statements. P is first postulate. Q is second postulate. Number 1, negation of P. For example, sky is blue is the statement. The negation of P is sky is not blue. This is negation. This symbol is and symbol. And symbol means conjunction. This symbol is or symbol. Disjunction. This means implies. In this case, two statements are given. Therefore, first implies negation of Q, or first then negation of next one. Next, P implies and implied by Q. These are the given logic statements. Okay. Now, first number 1. P is Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is a planet. Negation of P is question. Negation of P. Negation of P is Jupiter is not a planet. Jupiter is not a planet. Next, number 2. P is a statement. P is Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is a planet. Next, Q is India is an island. Negation of Q is India is not an island. Negation of Q is India is not an island. Question is first postulate and negation of second postulate. P and negation of Q is Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is a planet and India is not an island. India is not an island. Next, number 3. Negation of P. Negation of P is Jupiter is not a planet. Negation of P is Jupiter is not a planet. And Q, India is an island. India is Next, negation of P or Q. Jupiter is not a planet. Jupiter is not a planet, or India is an island. India is an island. Next, number 4. P is Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is a planet. Q is negation of Q is India is not an island. India is not an island. P implies negation of Q. P implies negation of Q is Jupiter is a planet, then India is not an island. India is not an island. Sorry, Jupiter is a planet, India is an island. Using this symbol, you get answer. Try following sentences in symbolic form using the statement the variable P and Q. Number 1, 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of a triangle are equal. This is the statement. Okay. Now, the given statement is let P is 19 is a prime number. Q is all the angles of triangle are equal. All the angles of triangle are equal. All the angles of a triangle are equal. Be the simple statement. First, number 1. 19 is not a prime number. So, negation of P. 19 is not a prime number. And symbol is and. All the angles of triangle are equal. So, this is positive statement, this is negative statement. So, number 1, negation of P and the symbol is given. So, and all the angles of a triangle are equal. So, all sides are equal. All the triangles are sides are equal. Therefore, Q. This is the logic statement. Number 2, 19 is a prime number, or all the angles of a triangle are equal. 19 is a prime number. The statement is P. Symbol is R. Next, all the triangles of a triangle are equal. Q. This is all the triangles of a triangle are equal number. So, statement is true. R, so R symbol. all the angles of a triangle are not equal. Not equal means negation of Q. Not equal means a negation of Q. Number 3, 19 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. So P. Not all the angles of triangle are equal. Not all the triangles are equal. So and the symbol Q. Next, number 4. 19 is not a prime number. Negation of Q. Hence determine the truth value of each of the following statements. Truth value of the following statements. Number 1, if 6 plus 2 is equal to 5, then the milk is white. Next, China is in Europe, or root 3 is an integer. Number 3, it is not true that 5 plus 5 is equal to 9, or Earth is a planet. We have to take first postulate. Number 1, if 6 plus 2 is equal to 5, then the milk is white. Postulate number 1, P is 6 plus 2 is equal to 5. Q, the milk is white. Milk is white. Now the simple statement then is given. Therefore, P implies Q. This is true or false. We cannot take this. This is a statement. So first statement of the postulate is 6 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is right or wrong? We don't bother about it. Okay, P then Q. Okay, P implies Q because the conclusion of Q is true. Because conclusion of Q is true. Next, number 2. Let P is first postulate. China is in Europe. Second postulate, root 3 is an integer. Now the question is, or symbol is using. So postulate, first postulate or symbol Q. This is the logic. Next, because the conclusion both the statements are false, because the conclusion of both are wrong or negative. Next, submission number 3. It is not true that it is not true that 5 plus 5 is equal to 9, or Earth is a planet, or Earth is a planet. First postulate, let P is, it is not true that five plus 5 is equal to 9. Q postulate is Earth is a planet. The symbol is R. Therefore, P or Q. Earth is not a postulate. Therefore, negation of P first, number 1, P. It is not true that. So this is the statement. So we cannot take P, negation of P, only when P or Q, because the conclusion of the both are true. Next, number 4. 11 is a prime number. P 11 is a prime number. The symbol is and. All the sides of the rectangle are equal. Next, in Q, all the sides of a rectangle are equal. All the sides of a rectangle are equal. This is false statement. So, all the sides of a rectangle are equal using the symbol is and. So, P and all the sides of the rectangle are equal is given. So in this case the second one is negation. So negation of Q. Which one of the following statements is proposition? Number 1, 4 plus 7 is equal to 12. Number 2, what are doing? Number 3, 3 is less than 81. N is an element of natural number set. Number 4, peacock is our national flag. Number 5, how far this mountain is. How far this mountain the statements. The statements, number 1, 4 plus 7 is equal to 12. Number 2, 3 plus x, n, 3 power n less than 81. So 3 power n less than or equal to 81. N belongs to the natural number set. Next, number 4. This is number 3. Number 4, peacock is our national bird. Have them proportional. The subdivision number 2 and 5 are not proportional. Okay. Since the statements are are either true or false. Today format EX number 12.2, sum number 1, subdivision number 5, comma sum number 5, subdivision number 1, 2 and 3. End of the message.